cannot sign into or create an HP Smart account on iPhone or iPad. If, after signing into your HP Smart account, a "something went wrong" message displays or the sign-in fails, follow these steps to fix the issue. The two common solutions for this issue are to clear the Safari cookies, settings, and data, or use Apple AirPrint as a workaround. Open the HP Smart app, and then sign into your HP Smart account again. If a "something went wrong" message displays, continue with these steps to clear the Safari cookies, settings, and data. On your device, open Settings, and then tap Safari. Under the Privacy and Security or Advanced section, disable Block All Cookies. Open the Safari app, and then go to the HP Smart website at hpsmart.com. From the browser window, click Sign In to open the Sign In web page. Do not sign into your account yet. Return to Settings, and tap Safari. Then tap Clear History and Website Data. Open the HP Smart app, and then sign into or create an account. If you attempted to sign into your HP Smart account again and you did not encounter a "something went wrong" message, continue with these steps to use AirPrint as a workaround. First, make sure that your printer and your device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the item you want to print, and then tap either the share icon or the menu icon. Scroll down and select Print from the list of options. Select your printer, and then select print job settings such as paper size, number of copies, and page range. Then tap Print. Your file prints.